Are you looking for the best microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Toshiba Microwave Oven. This Black Plus Decker microwave contains 6 pre-programmed buttons for heating a variety of foods, including a unique beverage option for warming coffee or tea. Additionally, its spacious interior can easily accommodate large dinner plates and odd-shaped food items, such as popcorn bags. Number 2, Black Plus Decker Digital Microwave Oven. This microwave contains a variety of features, including a mute function that removes the sound of its beeper and a child lock that protects little ones in the house. Though its low power means you have to cook your food for longer, its economical price is hard to beat. Number 3, Comfy Countertop Microwave Oven. This microwave oven offers homeowners countless ways to heat and cook their favorite foods, including 10 power levels and 3 popcorn cooking levels. It also has a sleek look to match modern kitchens. Number 4, Panasonic Microwave Oven. Before purchasing a microwave oven, it's important to understand how certain factors, such as cooking power, capacity, size, and settings, affect user experience.